What's up, guys? And today we're going to be driving the drag car that I just made. Might not look the best to you, but I just got this car today because I found it in the desert, and yeah, today we're going to be testing it out. So let's go equip the trailer real quick. Gooseneck. Let's go. Get up the storage seal. You're gonna move that out. Equip it. Yeah, so I might be taking this for a little bit of this drag stripping it, seeing how it works on the street. And yeah, gonna put this on the trailer. Okay, we're gonna get our tow truck right here. Oh wait, I forgot to do something on the call. Okay, yeah, by the way, I tried to do the video of me customizing it, but it took too long to customize it for it to be good, so yeah. I just made the video testing it out. I'm gonna max this out. I'm gonna max it all out. Wait, okay. I'm not gonna diesel swap it, nope. No, I'm not gonna put a thing on it. Okay, turbo is gonna be maxed out. Okay, we're getting a blow. Oh yep, now we're gonna load this on the trailer, the gooseneck hill. Oh yeah, the trailer's not equipped, I unequipped it, I forgot. I'm gonna have to equip it again. My battery's dying really quick, so let's see how this is gonna work out. I did not go into the call shot. I don't know why I did that. Okay, I got the trailer. We're gonna load this on now. Oh yeah, we do have the last tiles that cost the most on every single vehicle. The street ones, I guess. I think for the drag one. Okay, so now we're gonna get not a drag truck, tow truck here for the gooseneck. We're gonna go to custom maps. Gonna go to let's go to drag strips. I don't know if I spelled that right, but it's alright. That's what I did. I just favorite it before I play it. Let's try this one. Okay. It's just loading. Okay, so here we got it. I don't like that it's raining though. This call is making it not move that fast. Wow, how's that for a low though? Yeah. So yeah, okay, we're just gonna go over here, drop the trailer off. We're gonna do it right here. Gonna drop the trailer off here, gonna swap vehicles. Oh, she sounds awesome. Oh, this thing is quick. It's probably nah. Ooh, wait, do you see how much it pulls up though? It pulls the front up. This thing probably could Oh, it's too fast for me. Yeah, it's gonna get to the end of the line here. It's too quick. It's too. Just gonna try that. Let's take it for a spin real quick. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, she's fast. Yep, she's quick. We gotta go all the way back. Yeah, she's definitely a drag call. Not gonna lie, this thing's really quick. I think it tops out maybe like 170. I don't know how fast. Oh, okay. It's it's definitely like a drag car. It doesn't tone the best. It just drifts whenever you tone it. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like if we put that front up a bit, then it pop really. Cause look at it. It pulls it up so much whenever I step on the gas. Yeah, this thing does not like the tone. It hates tone. I'm gonna try it on this. This is just like the flexical. Oh, if it gets up, I don't want to get up. This thing's too low. I got a wrench. It's happened on the ground, but hold on, I didn't do it. Okay, we can just do this. It'll get me on now. It's actually not getting me on now. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. We're gonna just have to hit this full speed. Hold on. Why should I back up low? Yeah, that doesn't help really. Oh wait, I should try it low and forward drive. Wow, kind of stupid. What? It doesn't. Oh, dang, look at it pop. Why is this thing so fast and low? Yo. Oh. 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 It almost pops a wheelie from the back. Oh. 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 Whatever, we can't test it on now, so we're gonna test it right here on these rocks, I think they are. So let's go. Full speed. Okay, I guess we're going backwards. Let's go, yo. Ooh, we should try it in a big mud pit soon. I know it's a drag call, but okay. This thing is really quick. Oh, did it just? Okay. This thing's